Hi there, you've finished your website and we're moving on to the last section. Two sections here, technical testing and your evaluation. These need to be combined into one document. Let's start off with your technical testing. Your website is a complicated piece of engineering and you need to check that everything on it works properly. There are three bands to this. As long as you've got some evidence of testing, the level of detail will determine whether you get 1 to 3. To get into the middle band, you have to do sound testing, and what we need is clear evidence of that with a testing table. And then into 7 and 9, it has to be thorough. Basically, every single thing needs to be checked and evidence so that we know you've thoroughly tested it. So let's have a look what a template, a suggested template could be for that. So if we go into the Word document, okay, here we go. Website testing. During production, you need to write as much as you can about how you tested it as you went through the project. A couple of screenshots about things you changed. Post-production is the final testing you do, the last bit, the really detailed testing. Now start off with your home page, create a table where you list the elements you're going to check, such as the nav bar. Then the method, how did you check it? I observed it, I clicked the button, I tested it, I played it, depending on what it is. And then the results, it worked, it didn't work. Make sure you record what you did when it didn't work. And in most people's websites, there'll be the odd bit that needs checking. Every element on the page needs thoroughly checking. Then move on to the next page and do the same again. So you'll do a lot of copying and pasting as a lot of your methods will be the same. Now, moving on to the evaluation. So let's just go back to the marking criteria. Here we are. The evaluation is where you reflect on the quality of your website and reflect on it against your success criteria that you started with at the beginning. So let's have a look at the marking criteria. The first band is about some opinion with some mention of success criteria. The mid band is when you have a detailed survey and you plot graphs. About 5 people giving you detailed feedback. And then the analysis, the write-up afterwards of how that makes your success criteria achievable. How many of your success criteria achieved. And of course the top band is all about the level of detail and talking about all your success criteria. So if we go to our Excel document where we're collating all the people's opinions, there we go, lovely. We literally start off with your questions and then answer in the options. A good range of questions and question types will help you dig under the skin of your website. As you can see, these graphs can then be copied and pasted into your testing and evaluation document. You are looking for, to get the top band, a whole page of analysis about whether your website met your success criteria. I hope that helps. Good luck.